In this video, I'll show you how to find out with a multimeter whether it is necessary to change the brake fluid. In a car, I'll show you how to find out with a multimeter whether it is necessary to change the brake fluid. In a car, in specialized car services, the brake fluid is checked using special equipment that measures the amount of moisture in the. But if you don't have specialized equipment at home, in this video I'll show you how. Using a conventional multimeter, you can approximately check the quality of the brake fluid. In order to check the quality of the brake fluid, we need a multimeter. On the multimeter, set the test value for DC to 20 volts DC, then we find the brake fluid reservoir, open the lid. Next, find the positive terminal on the battery. Touch the red probe of the multimeter to the positive terminal of the battery. Dip the black probe of the multimeter into the brake fluid and observe the readings on the multimeter. If the multimeter shows a value of more than 4 volts, then this means that the brake fluid has already gained a lot of moisture and needs to be replaced. Now let's see what the readings will be on a brand new brake fluid. In order to demonstrate the difference between the new brake fluid and the old one, I will take the new brake fluid, pour it into a metal plug, and follow the same procedure as we did. The black probe should only touch the brake fluid. Do not touch the metal cup with the black probe. Otherwise, there will be a short circuit. Good brake fluid should show no more than 4 volts.